Hi, I'm John Belizaire, co-founder and CEO of First Best Systems. This is my first Funding Post conference, and I have to say it was the best conference I've ever been to. As a CEO of a new company, fundraising is just a real challenge, getting out there and finding the right investors. This is a way to really do a one-to-many presentation, getting access to great investors from all walks of life throughout the country to come into one place, present your pitch. Couldn't have thought of this. I should have thought of this business. I'm also an investor, and I definitely will have my partners participate in this conference in the future. But I have to say, as an entrepreneur, if you don't know about Funding Post, you should get to know about the company and the organization, and also get involved, because if you're an entrepreneur, this is something that can really make your life a lot easier. The format is great. You do these 2-minute pitches that allow you to sort of say what your company does in a short period of time. You get to do them many times, so that can be a little tiring. But it really gets the investors clarity about who you are, what you do, and why they should be talking to you. And then you get an opportunity to give your full company pitch, which I did. And that's always exciting, and get some great feedback from the investors in the group. And I couldn't say more about how great the conference went. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. You ready? Just my name is, and just what you thought of the conference.
My name is Paul Narciso. I'm the CEO of Open Integrity. The Funding Post conference has been absolutely great. We've actually had 8 follow-up meetings, or 8 requests for follow-up meetings with investors, and so we're very, very pleased with those results in such a short time. I couldn't have cold called them and actually gotten the same results.
Great. Would you recommend this to any other entrepreneurs raising capital?
Absolutely recommend it to entrepreneurs raising capital. It's well worth the cost, well worth the time, and hope to actually join more conferences in the future.
Great. Thank you so much, Howard.
Sure thing.
Go ahead.
Hi, I'm Laurent Lehman, COO at Mission Research. We're a software company that serves the nonprofit and small business communities with customer relationship and constituent management solutions. This is the second time we've participated in this event, and it's been really wonderful. We have, since last year, have gone on to raise some capital, have grown the business, are releasing some new products, and really wanted to participate again. A great flow of investors through the panels and various things that we get an opportunity to spend time with and to meet, to share ideas and get some positive feedback, a wide variety. And I'm amazed continually at the level of quality that we get to see here. And it's also great for practicing the pitch and sort of refining what we're saying and getting feedback on it. So it's been a wonderful experience. Kudos to Joe and team for putting on such a great event.
Thank you. Okay, go.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Rostam. I flew into New York from Toronto, Canada. Heard about Funding Post online, and I was really enthusiastic about coming down here, so I emailed Joe and Howie, and they've actually been great. The whole thing has been an amazing event. I would recommend it to anyone, because it's really cool to meet with these VCs face to face. It will give you a lot of confidence if you're raising money. I've met really good contacts, and I believe hopefully something good will come out of it, and I truly recommend this. It's been great. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Kerry Williams. I'm the president of Crypto Logon. It was an excellent conference. The one-on-one time with the individual investors was truly invaluable. Panel discussions were very helpful, and they reinforced a lot of points that we've previously heard or been told along the way. As far as the results of the conference, we do have many, many follow-up leads to work, as well as one possible deal that we're exploring further right after the conference. I would highly recommend it. It's time well spent, and I know our company certainly benefited from our attendance here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sure. You're ready.
Hey, good afternoon. I'm Scott Sullivan. I'm the CEO of VidSoft. This is my 5th startup company right now. So one would think that I'm a seasoned veteran, that I know how to do these pitches, I know how to get to the VCs, and I got to tell you, it's not the truth. The VC community changes on a monthly or yearly basis, and one always has to be honing their skills. And each one of us needs a coach out there. So coming with Funding Post, I think one of the most phenomenal things was the initial preparation before we even get in front of the VCs. This team will walk you through exactly what is your 2-minute pitch, what does your 15-minute pitch looks like. Let's hone it this way, let's work it that way. So when I come in here, I feel much better that I'm positioned correctly into the marketplace. I already know which VCs are coming here. And Christ, I think this current session we had over 30 different VCs here, all high quality guys
who have money that they're looking at spending out there. So, we get our pitches down succinct. The 2-minute pitch I will take and start using that myself now to these VCs. And today is my second day here for this show, and already I have 4 opportunities with venture capital guys who want to meet me for the next round. So it's been a great introduction for me to this market, and I hope to do a few more of these in the coming months here. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, go.
My name is Amro Albana. I am the founder and CEO of Key Motions, Inc. And we found out about fundingpost maybe about a year ago, and we attended one of their conferences in San Francisco. When we heard about the Perfect Venture conference here in New York, we quite frankly weren't sure if we wanted to attend or not, but it certainly sounded like a great event. So here we are. We decided to come in, and now that we're here, I recommend it to all CEOs that are raising money 100%. It's been a great event. You get to meet venture capitalists and investors face to face, and you get so many different opportunities to tell your story. So I strongly recommend it. We've made a whole bunch of connections in the last couple of days that we've been here, and again, thumbs up to fundingpost. It's been great for us.
All right, thank you.
Hello everybody, my name is Brian Javelin of Service Exchange. My product's My Online Toolbox, and I've actually been in the hunt for early stage capital now for a little bit over a year and a half, and I've been to more than 24 conferences all throughout the East Coast, upwards of Florida through Maine, and this by far is one of the best conferences I've been to. The guys had an extremely well organized event, extremely timely, very focused, a great audience of people that we were pitching to. I have at least a dozen follow-ups that I'm going to be working on, and I actually anticipate on closing a round of financing probably within 4 to 6 months, or hopefully even sooner. The group was great. The dynamics were great. We met 2 different types of investors, an early stage investor, angels that like to help the very immature companies get from phase 1 to phase 2, and then come the second tier investors that once you get past that first level of investment with revenue, possibly some profit, then you also are able to be introduced to the next level of investors that could bring you to the much larger stage and hopefully the later stage of your life. The guys were great. The environment was great.
In center here.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Go ahead, go.
My name is Glenn Murray. I'm CEO and founder of a company called Handlefly Inc. I'd like to encourage anybody that's considering fundingpost to seriously consider it. I know for myself, when I looked at the investment of time and cash, I was a little bit leery and concerned about, gee, can I pull that off? But I have to say, it was a tremendous event for us for many reasons. First and foremost, I found that Howie and Joe were very helpful in terms of us getting prepared to talk and articulate our business models to venture capitalists and angels. We were very thrilled with the turnout, and I think more importantly, the format. It was very conducive to bringing in high-quality venture capitalists and angel companies. Just the way they cycled them through over the course of 3 days kept them very interested, very alert, and very attuned to what it is that the presenters had to offer. So we were very pleased with it. I want to thank them, and again, very high quality in terms of the people that they were able to produce for us. So very pleased with it. Thank you.
Thank you.